Enigma Corona is our SiO2 based synthetic ceramic trim dressing.
Right, Matt, so now to final dressing.
Yep, plastics.
Unpainted plastics.
Unpainted plastics, any kind of plastics, so anything from the mirrors, the mud flaps, this kind of material, Enigma Corona is absolutely fine for that.
Okay, and then again, microfiber applicator.
Yeah, to prevent any getting on the floor and anywhere else, then straight onto the applicator and then apply.
Enough.
That's perfect.
Okay, and then just make sure you've got it all over the area you're doing. And how sort of long will this last for, Matt?
That will last for up to around a year.
Okay.
You've just got to make sure the application that you do is a thorough one. Don't miss any bits. And once you finish, you can give it a buff afterwards.
Okay.
It is an SiO2 product again. It is a ceramic product. It will last quite a while.
It's leaving a nice sheen on this plastic.
It does leave a nice gloss. When you buff it, that will settle slightly, and then you'll be left with a coating.
You're recommending the microfiber pad?
Yes, the microfiber's best because sometimes one of the components within that product will actually go for the foam. So the foam applicators aren't really suitable for that particular product.
Not going to make it slippy or sticky in any way.
Shouldn't make it slippy as long as you've taken everything off. Again, there's no silicone part of that. Silicones are quite nasty for stepping on side steps.
Yeah.
People do accelerator pedals with them.
It's quite a dangerous thing. That.
Very dangerous.
Yeah.
But yeah, again, this product no silicones within that. And again, with the health and safety that we've done on these labels, you've also got a peel and read aspect, so you can actually peel back different languages. Is all on the bottle as well.
That's helpful.
So maybe.
No, perfect. Looks nice. Finish is good.
Yes.
Doesn't feel greasy. Doesn't feel slippy.
No, it is a very nice finish. And if you really want to, you could layer that on again to give it that more protection. But this looks enough.
Okay, perfect. Happy with that.